Greetings. Today, we begin part 1 of our peptide series exploring the science and potential benefits of one of the most popular peptides, BPC-157. Peptides are short chains of amino acids made by our bodies that act as powerful signaling molecules. Like hormones, peptides deliver messages to cells to trigger actions. Compared to hormones, peptides are much more specific in their instructions to cells. They perform all kinds of functions such as triggering repair, regeneration, metabolic balance, activation of specific functions, and performance optimization. Because of their precision, peptides are becoming increasingly popular in longevity, regenerative medicine, and performance-focused health protocols. I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Max McLeod, aka the Nutrition Ninja Doc. His passion and purpose are to solve health problems to help people achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals. He utilizes AI to save time, allowing him to spend it helping others. With over 45 years of clinical experience, he has acquired a great deal of specialized health-related knowledge that he wants to share, hence his videos. Please note that this is not medical advice. It is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Consult your trusted progressive healthcare provider before making any significant changes in your health regimen. Now let's get back to today's topic, but before that I ask you to please hit the like button if you find this information helpful. Subscribing to this channel helps get this information to more people. BPC-157, short for Body Protection Compound 157, is a synthetic peptide derived from a naturally occurring protein found in human gastric juice. Over the past several years, BPC-157 has gained increasing attention in regenerative medicine, peptide therapy, and longevity research due to its broad effects on tissue repair, inflammation regulation, and cellular healing pathways. Unlike many compounds that target a single system, BPC-157 appears to support healing across multiple tissues, making it one of the most widely discussed peptides for gut health, musculoskeletal recovery, and injury repair. BPC-157 is a stable pentadecapeptide consisting of 15 amino acids. It is derived from a naturally occurring protective protein in the stomach lining that plays a role in maintaining gastrointestinal integrity. Researchers became interested in BPC-157 after observing its ability to protect tissues from damage and accelerate healing in various experimental models. Because of its stability and bioactivity, BPC-157 can influence cellular signaling without disrupting normal biological processes. BPC-157 functions primarily by acting as a cell signaling peptide, helping the body coordinate repair responses. It supports angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to injured tissue. It also helps regulate inflammatory pathways, allowing healing to occur without excessive inflammation. Additionally, BPC-157 interacts with nitric oxide pathways, supporting healthy blood flow and vascular function. These combined mechanisms explain why the peptide is associated with recovery in a wide range of tissues. One of the most well-known areas of research involving BPC-157 is gastrointestinal healing. Because it originates from gastric protective proteins, BPC-157 has been studied for its ability to support the stomach and intestinal lining. Research models suggest it may help maintain gut barrier integrity, support healing of ulcers, and reduce inflammation in the digestive tract. These effects make BPC-157 a topic of interest for individuals focused on digestive health and gut-brain balance. BPC-157 is widely discussed for its potential role in tendon, ligament, muscle, and joint healing. It has been studied in models involving muscle tears, tendon damage, and connective tissue injuries. By promoting blood vessel formation and guiding repair signals, BPC-157 may help accelerate the recovery process and improve tissue resilience. This has made it a popular peptide in sports recovery and regenerative health discussions. Inflammation is a necessary part of healing, but excessive or prolonged inflammation can slow recovery. BPC-157 appears to help balance inflammatory responses, allowing repair to proceed more efficiently. It has also been studied for its effects on pain signaling pathways, which may explain why many discussions around BPC-157 include improvements in comfort and mobility during recovery periods. Emerging research suggests that BPC-157 may influence nerve repair and neuroprotection, particularly in models involving nerve injury. It may help support communication between the gut and nervous system, highlighting its potential role in systemic healing. Additionally, BPC-157 has shown protective effects in various organs under stress conditions, reinforcing its reputation as a whole-body protective peptide. BPC-157 is currently classified as a research peptide and is not approved as a prescription medication. Most data comes from laboratory and animal studies, and human clinical research is still limited. Because of this, BPC-157 should be discussed within an educational or research context, and any therapeutic use should be guided by qualified healthcare professionals familiar with peptide science. BPC-157 stands out among peptides because of its versatility. Rather than targeting a single hormone or organ system, it supports the body's natural ability to repair itself across multiple tissues. Its stability, wide range of biological effects, and regenerative signaling make it a cornerstone topic in peptide therapy education. BPC-157 represents a promising area of peptide research focused on healing, protection, and recovery. Its effects on gut health, connective tissue repair, inflammation control, and systemic resilience continue to make it one of the most discussed peptides in regenerative and longevity-focused health circles. BPC-157 is best combined with the next peptide in this series, TB-500. As research evolves, BPC-157 may help shape future approaches to injury recovery, digestive health, and tissue regeneration. In the meantime, we are actively using it as part of our Wolverine Healing Protocol at the Age Reversal Technology Center in Sarasota, Florida.